This area is looking a little rough, and I'm going to clean it up and apply some mulch glue and mulch paint to my rubber mulch back here. Now, I'm going to show you the products and my process, but be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the results using. I actually went and got a disposable 2-gallon pump sprayer here. Now, this is a tip that I got from Mr. Pete Denny. Using the glue in this tank is likely going to mess this up forever. So I definitely don't want to use one of my good backpack sprayers to do this. This is disposable. I paid about 13 bucks for it. This is going to help me with the edging around the fence. And then, of course, we have the Mulchcrete. This is kind of a, I don't know if it's a new product or they're just offering it to the public now, but this is from Endurance and it's called Mulchcrete. So this is going to be the glue. And then I have the brown mulch paint. So hopefully by the time this is done, everything's going to look nice and refreshed. It's no fun trimming around these trees, so extra mulch may be going down in this area. I had to take a pause because I forgot to take my allergy medicine. I had to go shower. I was dying, but I'm back. And it's time to resume the project. The application rate for the mulch paint is going to be 8 ounces per 1 gallon of water. I really like the deep, rich color of the brown. It almost looks black. The glue should be mixed at a 2-to-1 ratio with water. Considering that I'm working with rubber mulch, I actually mixed even less water into my tank. An important step that you don't want to forget is to spray your surrounding surfaces with water. This makes it easier to clean up any accidental spraying. Apply the solution over the mulch until it covers the area evenly. It's recommended to give the mulch dye at least 12 hours to dry. And the mulch glue actually only takes 2 hours to dry. Since I've mixed them together, I will allow at least 12 hours for everything to dry. There's definitely a clear improvement in the color. So far, so good. Since I have enough of the product, I'm going to now freshen up the bed in the front. Here's another good look showing the clear difference between the painted and the unpainted. Now this area is complete and I have to say it's looking pretty good up against those shrubs. Another important thing that I want to mention is that, yes, I did mix the two together. I was so happy when Endurance told me that you could mix those together so that I wouldn't have to do multiple applications. So that in itself is worth getting this combination right here. I finished it and with minimal mess. I'm pretty proud of myself because I did not make a mess this time. So I definitely recommend that you get a sprayer that has a nozzle where you can adjust the spray because that worked out really well. I had a lot of control, and despite the excessive amount of sweat, it was a pretty painless process. The mulch glue and the dye worked perfectly for my needs. It looks refreshed back here, and I don't have to worry about the mulch moving around when I'm trimming.